In today's lesson, we're going to talk about what's in a name, in a botanical name that is. With thousands of plant varieties, each having all their own characteristics, it can be very confusing. It's a jungle out there. So why did we have to complicate things with botanical names? Although it might seem more complicated, it actually made things easier. A universal program was essential. And this is the man that would tame the jungle, Carl Linnaeus. He developed the framework that would become known as binomial nomenclature, a system that would organize plants and animals. Simply put, it was Linnaeus's unique filing system that would give each plant and animal a name composed of two parts, the first being the genus and the second being the specific epithet. So let's talk about those. The first part is the genus. This represents the group of plants or species with similar characteristics, and Linnaeus would use a Latin name that would represent that specific group. For example, we know this little beauty is black-eyed Susan, the common name. The botanical name is Rudbeckia fulgida, and the genus is Rudbeckia. Characteristics of plants or species in genus Rudbeckia would include yellow petals, black, brown, or green central cone, and would be daisy-shaped. Trouble is, there's a lot of this type of plant that falls under genus Rudbeckia. And that's why the specific epithet is so important. This second part of the botanical name applies to the single species within the genus, or the specific plant within the group. Sound like Latin? Well, it is. Let's go on. Sometimes the specific epithet is named after someone, or it's the Latin description of how it looks. The specific epithet of Rudbeckia fulgida is fulgida, which means shining, gleaming, or glittery, which is how it looks after a nice rain. So in review, Carl would develop a system that would categorize plants and animals in two names, using Latin. The first is the genus or group, the second is the specific epithet or the specific plant. But you might ask, why can't I just use the common name? So let's pretend you have this neighbor who's an avid gardener and she has this amazing garden and some beautiful yellow flowers, and you ask her, what are those? And she tells you, they're black-eyed Susans. And you're so excited, you go home and you place that order with your local nursery. You get dozens of them, because you know what you want. But will she? This is her first day. She's not sure if she knows what you want, but she places that order, and you've already paid for it. When it comes, you might get this, or this, or this, or one of 40 other black-eyed Susans, because common names can be used at the user's discretion from location to location. So the first reason to use botanical names is that they are universal. You will always get exactly what you want, no matter where you order it from. And the second reason to use botanical names is that you're going to look really smart. Next time we're going to learn what a cultivar is. If you have a project that you'd like to work with us on, head on over to ajmearth.com and drop us a line or give us a call. We look forward to speaking with you. See you next time.